Everyone says make 100 calls a day to be the best SDR. But here's the truth. The top reps, they're making half the calls and closing 3 times more meetings than you. Let me show you how. My name is Neil. I'm your SaaS Sales Misfit coach, and I have over 10 years in SaaS as a 360 AE and sales leader with 5 years as a sales trainer. And I help SDRs smash quota and get promoted to AE as fast as possible. Now, a lot of you are asking if I have a course. Currently, I do not, but I have reopened slots for one-on-one coaching, and I only have a few spots left. It's first come, first serve. So if you're serious about fixing your outbound and getting promoted fast, click the calendar link below, book a free 10-minute consult. Let's see if I can actually help you. Back to the video. Now, just because you're dialing doesn't mean you're selling. Let me tell you what I see over and over again. Reps who are busy as hell, 100 calls, 50 emails, a LinkedIn post, but 0 meetings booked. They think motion equals progress. But in sales, effort means nothing if it doesn't hit quota. Here's the brutal truth. If you're not booking meetings, it's not your manager, the leads, or the product. It's your habits, your mindset, and your daily focus. I had a rep once, Sam, who was making $80 a day, but couldn't land a single meeting. He was working hard, but he was winging every call. No pre-call research, no intro variation, no pain-based questions, just activity for the sake of it. And guess what happened? He got performance managed, then replaced. Meanwhile, another rep made half the calls, but booked 3 times the meetings. Why? Let's get into it. Here's how the top SDRs think differently and how you can too. There are 5 habits that top SDRs lock in every single day. Number 1, they start with outcomes, not activity. Top reps don't say I made 50 calls. They say I booked 3 meetings. They reverse engineer their day around the outcome, not the task. Quick action tip for everyone. Every morning, ask, what's the one thing I must achieve to move pipeline along? Number 2, they treat cold calls like a performance. Best SDRs practice their openers, objections, tonality daily. They don't just call. They rehearse like athletes before a game. Hey, Mark, I know I'm calling you out of nowhere, but can I ask a quick question that'll explain why I did? They don't say this flat. They say it like they mean it. Number 3, they personalize fast. Not 20-minute research, but 20 seconds of smart scanning. Quick example. Mark, saw your team just launched in the UK. Quick question. How are you generating awareness in a market you haven't scaled into yet? That hits different than, hey, we help companies like yours with marketing. Number 4, they obsess over objection handling. Objections are not the end. They're the beginning of the sale. Best SDRs welcome objections because they know what to say. I'm busy right now. Totally understand. That's exactly why I'm calling, to save you time down the line. I'll be brief. Can I ask you just one thing? They don't freeze. They flip it. Number 5, they follow up like psychos. One call isn't enough. One email won't cut it. Best SDRs build sequences. They add value in every touch. For example, day 1, they'll call and send an email. And then day 3, they'll follow up with a LinkedIn comment and a direct message. Day 5 might look like a new email with a case study. And day 7, break up email with a bit of humor as well. Now, most reps quit after 1 to 2 touches. But misfits, they go until they get the yes or the hard no. I had a client named Tasha. She came to me overwhelmed, missing quota, losing confidence. One more bad month and she was done. We rebuilt her workflow. She committed to these 5 habits, and within 3 weeks, she was top of the leaderboard. Not because she worked more, but because she worked right. She became the rep others went to for help. That's the moment it clicks. Success isn't about being great. It's about doing what works consistently. So, actionable takeaway. If you want to be the best SDR in your company, Number one, stop chasing volume, start chasing impact. Every call, every email, ask yourself, is this likely to convert? Number two, practice like you're getting paid to perform. Record yourself, get feedback, sharpen your tonality. And number three, follow up relentlessly, but always add value. You're not pestering, you're persistently solving a problem they still have. Look, guys, everything we covered today is useless if your email game is weak. You can crush cold call. You can book 4 meetings a week, but if your cold emails suck, you're leaking pipeline every single day. So don't miss this. 10 cold emails you can send right now. I break down exact templates you can steal today to double your reply rate. Click it now. Let's build your outbound game one play at a time.